Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, 10:20 in Honolulu, 5:20 in New York on Monday, 24th day of April 2023, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. As we wait for the important numbers coming out on Thursday and Friday, the GDP as well as the PCE, what strikes me with the greatest alarm is the decreasing purchasing power of the U.S. dollar. Month over month, inflation increases and the buying power of our U.S. dollar declines. Gold remains supported by dollar weakness. Gold futures are currently still priced below $2,000 per ounce. Currently, gold is up $8.80, a gain of 0.45%. And the most active June contract is fixed at $1,999.30. The decline in the dollar is exactly the same as the increase in gold, both up or down 0.45%. The dollar is down 0.45% and currently fixed at 101.09. Lastly, silver is showing gains today, up 0.65%, with the most active May contract up close to 17 cents at $25.22.5. Over the last couple of years, once the Federal Reserve began to raise rates, we have seen gold first drop from a high well above 2,000, roughly at 2,078, moved down to these lows just above 1,600, maintained that price point for about 3 months, and then slowly and methodically moved to higher ground. Even though we had one strong correction, we are currently sitting just under $2,000 with gold at $1,999. But as we talked about during the opening remarks of today's show, when we look at gold on a long-term basis, and to do that we'll need to pull up a long-term 2-month chart, we can see that gold for the most part has continued to gain value as the dollar has continued to lose buying power. I have just put up an extremely long-term view of gold, this going back to approximately 1975. And even though there is noise within the price of gold, meaning we see it rise to approximately 1,000 here, drop down to 700, and then maintain a price point between 200 and 400, moving up to the first of record highs in the middle of 2011 at 1,900, and then just below $2,100 per ounce beginning a couple of years ago. The trend is clear. As long as there is a reduction in buying power from the U.S. dollar, gold has nowhere to go but to higher ground and over time make higher highs than the previous record. I am not looking for anything under $2,200 per ounce by the end of 2024, even as early as the first or second quarter of next year, and eventually to go to 2,400 and beyond based on dollar weakness in terms of its buying power. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.